What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to TARS. We are your best friend, helping copywriters understand how to work with AI tools and technology. So in this video today, we are going to use the new Llama 3 on grok.com, super fast compared to ChatGPT, and we are going to show you how you can use it to better understand your target market, their psychographics and demographics, in order to create copy that is hyper specific and hyper effective when it comes to conversion levels. So this is literally going to take a matter of minutes because we already have this taking stock template written out, and we're going to prompt and warm up Grok to act as a direct marketing expert who specializes in market research. And we're going to ask it a set of questions, and you are going to see how it will give you incredible information for you to go, okay, I can now expand on this. So remember, with AI tools and technologies, as a copywriter, we're looking to work with them and we're looking to leverage the tool to our advantage. Just like if we were a farmer, we'd be looking to leverage the tractor to our advantage to get better and more work done in a shorter amount of time. So I'm going to prompt Grok here, and I'm going to be very nice because with AI we always want to be kind. Treat it like a human. Let's ask, say please and thank you. So please act as a direct marketing expert who specializes in market research to help me better understand my ideal target audience by being very simple and direct, and include real world examples for each question I ask. I am a freelance copywriter. Okay, this is you. So you could insert anything here. Who specializes, insert your niche in, let's go, health and fitness. Sorry, in helping health and fitness companies and podcasts improve their marketing message by making it simpler, clearer, more compelling. Sorry, I'll say and more compelling. And now we add our so that they attract more attention and improve their conversion rates on their offers. The questions. Okay, now what we'll do is we'll copy and paste the first question. So what are my ideal? Okay, boom. Excellent. Let's go to the next one. What are their current problems? Now, the thing with Grok that we need to understand, and it's different to ChatGPT, is that it's going to give us the next one above. So when we come back through, we're going to have to scroll in a sort of a negative fashion, go from bottom to top instead of top to bottom. Okay. Now, I'm not going to go through the entirety of this. I'm only going to do, say, the first 5 questions so that you can see the amount of information and the clarity that we get from working with ChatGPT here, working with AI and Grok here, in order to give us a foundation to start to understand and start to build out what we can do in order to create our own copy to either attract these clients to us, or if we're working with these clients, to better understand the challenges that they're having and how we can support them to overcome those challenges. Okay, so I'll leave that one there. Okay, so let's come down here. So what are my ideal clients' demographics and psychographics? So it's saying that they're likely going to be 25 to 45 years old, because that's the range of people who are likely to be interested in health and fitness. Men and women, but slightly more women due to the reason that they're more likely to want to prioritize their health and their wellness. They live in urban, suburban areas, middle to upper middle class, and they're college educated. So these are the things that they're going to value. And here's the real world example. So let's say you're working with a yoga studio, it offers online classes. The ideal client's going to be like a 32-year-old woman who works from home and is looking for a way to stay active. So you're looking at this and you're going, yep, okay. So if that's the case, what are the challenges that they're experiencing? Well, there's difficulty finding a workout routine. So we're starting to use all of this to better understand what it is about our ideal client, the challenges that they're facing with their clients that we can support them with. So we can say, look, when it comes to your marketing message, what we find with a lot of the people that you support with and who you're trying to help is that these are the main challenges that they're experiencing, and you're not doing any of that in your marketing messaging. So if we do this and we do this, we can see your conversion rates on this landing page improve greatly if we make these few small tweaks. So this is where we can now utilize our own creativity and bring our own experiences and our own knowledges to the party to either expand these out and make them even greater, or we can go a mile deep on them and really, really drive the needle home. So the next step is that I would go through and I would continue to do this and to ask these questions, and then I would throw it all in the Google Doc underneath the question that's asked. So for instance, I would go here and I would go, okay, underneath this question, I would have my answer, so I can come back and I can start to highlight and be like, oh, I'm going to use that, I'm going to use this, I'm going to use this. This is a really cool point, so I'm going to highlight it because that's something that I'd like to use. And now we have a document and we have an incredible amount of specific, hyper valuable information that we can sift through and that we can analyze ourselves to find the golden nuggets that we want to extrapolate and build upon. And we can build sales pages off this. We can build email sequences off this. We can build landing pages. We can build complete marketing strategies in order to improve conversion rates either of our clients or show people who we would love to become our clients, here's how you can go about achieving the outcome that you want. And here's how I can provide value as a copywriter in order to help you do that. So thank you for joining us here on this video today. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel. Every Wednesday and Friday at 10 a.m. Australian time, we are dropping a new video on how you as a copywriter can leverage and work with AI tools and technologies to become an even better copywriter and sign more clients. So thank you for joining us here today. We will see you on the next video. Have a fantastic time.